the world's smartest video doorbell. The idea is simple. Whenever motion is detected on your doorstep, our invention will notify your phone and give you a live video feed or image of your visitor through the wide-angle 180-degree HD lens.
Oh, hey man, how's it going? Come on in, the party's just getting started in the backyard. Oh cool, sounds good. See you here.
You can see who's at your door from anywhere. It's not just about convenience, but also protecting your home and family.
Hey, what do you guys think you're doing?
And you have a recorded video or snapshot to give to the police. You can also chat with people at your door while you're away from home.
Hello?
Hi, I've got a package for Debbie.
I'm not home right now. Could you leave it on the porch?
Alright, sounds good. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
The VEIU doorbell is so easy to use. It has a frustration-free setup. It's so user-friendly that everyone can use it, even kids and grandparents.
Hey son, we'll be right there.
Hey, Uncle Mike.
Hey, bud, how you doing?
It can be installed in less than 5 minutes and connects directly to your home Wi-Fi, making it possible to receive the live video feed through the Equus app from wherever you are. Unlike home security systems, the VEIU doorbell has no monthly fee and operates with a rechargeable battery. Whether you like entertaining, want more safety for your family, are away from home, or just want to see who's on your doorstep, the VEIU doorbell is a life-changing solution. With your support, together we can make our product come alive and deliver it to your door soon. The VEIU doorbell, the world's smartest video doorbell.
A Wi-Fi doorbell and smart home hub. Featuring an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view. Dual-band Wi-Fi makes connecting to your router fast and easy. Hear your chime anywhere with the included Zmodo Beam. Beam also works as a Wi-Fi range extender, ensuring the Greet has great signal. See who's at the door and even speak with them all through the Zmodo app.
Hi.
Hi, I've got a delivery for Mrs. Anderson.
Great, just leave it short, thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Greet saves video clips when motion is detected, even if nobody rings. Can't answer the door right away? Greet supports pre-recorded messages to play to your visitor.
Sorry, I can't come to the door right now. Please give me a call, it's urgent.
Review all your alerts in the Zmodo app. They're stored safely in the cloud for access up to 36 hours later. And when you don't want to be disturbed, Greet can be scheduled to silence the chime for a peaceful night's sleep.
Represents the premier in performance and versatility. This wireless doorbell and push button are easily accessible and easily installed, allowing wall mounting or to be placed standing on a table or shelf. The doorbell comes equipped with an illuminated halo and LED strobe alerts that flash when the button is pressed, and you will also be alerted by any of the 8 pre-installed 90 decibel tunes. Reaching up to 450 feet, this doorbell can be connected with up to 6 transmitters simultaneously, and the doorbell is 100% wireless, running on 4C batteries, lasting up to 5 years. Inside the box, you'll find the doorbell, push button mounting bracket, USB cable to add additional MP3 tunes, all mounting hardware, and instructions. The push button has an illuminated LED ring, is weather resistant, and is wireless E push button compatible.
Install the doorbell anywhere outside and plug in the wireless receiver inside. You're all set. Every time someone rings it, it collects the energy of that motion and converts it into electricity. With the electricity, a signal will be sent to its in-house receiver so that you know the guest has arrived. Linbell has 36 different types of tones, and you can set different tones right from the transmitter. We made the generator small enough in a doorbell, and it ensures that every time you press on it, electricity will be generated. For those who want to DIY with the energy harvesting component, we will also offer the energy harvesting kit. With the kit and the imagination, you'll be able to create your own cool stuff. Linbell protects the environment by eliminating the need for batteries and saves you time for the doorbell installation or maintenance.
They say home is where the heart is, but most of the time you're not there to receive deliveries, see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visit.
Delivered from Mr. Phillips.
Great, just move by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you two new students then.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing a free house training activity.
I'm dating the children right now.
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur, during the day, and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to know your needs. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home.
Thanks for watching my video. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.